won't work. So I need to clear out some things, what I'm missing.
Okay, so today we are going to start.
Okay.
And let me share my screen with you.
Shall I put on my video?
No, you don't need to put on video.
Okay.
So we will do.
Can I record, sir?
No, you cannot record. I'm recording it myself.
Okay.
I'll record it, then I will send you a link later.
Sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. I can see Euro USD screen of 30 minutes chart of 1 minute candle.
Okay.
Major trend is down.
Now, what we are going to do today, we are going to start. Okay. So we start it. What I call important levels. Okay.
Pardon, sir?
We start with important levels.
Okay.
Important levels. Important levels.
Sure.
Okay. Now, why do we want to do important levels? Because these levels are very, very important in the market. Very, 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 very important.
Okay.
So our market, we react at those levels. Some of those levels they have taught you before, but I need to still mention them. There are about 3 important levels, okay, in the market.
Okay.
Very, very important levels, 3 of them. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So number 1 is SNR level. I know they have told you SNR level before. You have learned SNR before. Yeah. Okay. SNR level is very, very important. SNR is support and resistance. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Support and resistance. So, and if you are going to draw SNR level, like I said that day, you have to learn to put your candle, maybe 1 hour. If you want to trade 1 hour, you put 1 minute, you put it in 1 minute, then you draw 3 hours. When you put it on 3 hours like this, you'll be able to see levels. Now, the major trend is downtrend. Okay. The minor trend is uptrend. Okay. So where is this candle going to reverse? You are going to draw your levels. You draw your levels. Okay.
Okay.
So you see there's a level here. There's a level here.
Yes.
So, and the candle has not reached that place. Okay.
Yes.
You can put a level here. So the candle has not reached the place. Then there's also a level here. There's a level here. The candle has broken that level. So we are expecting this level. Okay.
Okay.
Because this candle has broken this level. Now, one of the mistakes people make is that if they see a level here, and they see a candle coming here, they see this candle.
Yes, sir.
They want to sell. And this candle, the next candle is buy. So because they think that if they sell, if they just get to a level, the candle will go down. No, the candle will not go down. You have to watch the level and apply a particular strategy. Okay? You have to apply the strategy. Okay. So if you don't have a strategy, you will just go with the market and say, okay, there's a rejection in the market. You see, there's a rejection from this candle. There's a rejection from this candle. Right? So some people want to enter this market here and go down. And the market is up, so they lose the money. Okay. So basically what we are talking about right now is SNR level, just to show you how to draw SNR level. This is SNR area. So when market gets to that place, something can happen. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
So those are basic foundations. Hello.
Yes, sir.
We also have a level. This level, we call it,
Sir, can't see your screen, sir.
yeah, I can't see my screen. You will see it.
Okay, okay.
The second level that is very important, okay, is called buyer's entry and seller's entry. Have you heard that
Okay.
before?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you show me where is a seller's entry here
Mm,
or buyer's
yes,
entry?
sir. Seller's entry is on the level, first level which we drawn here. Here is the seller's entry.
This level?
Yeah, this point.
This level?
Yeah, this point is a seller's entry because market is going down with strong bearish candle.
Now, if you are going to know seller's level, seller's entry and buyer's entry, that is not how to know it. Okay? First and
Okay.
foremost, we are going to look at the candle. Look at this candle. Look at from here to this level.
Yes.
This is
It's
seller's momentum.
yes, strong bearish momentum.
Strong bearish momentum. Okay? Now, it started from here. Okay? And ended
Okay.
here.
Yes.
Okay? Now, this is
Yes.
another one from here to here.
Yes.
Why? Because there is no seller from here to here. From here to here,
Yes.
there is no buyer.
Yes.
So
There is
this
no
level,
buyers interested.
this level, this is where sellers enter. So this is seller's area. It's a seller's area. This is a seller's
Yes.
entry. So when market is going, you have to watch this level. It's very important. Okay? This
Yes.
level
Okay.
is also very important because this is where buyers enter and buyers close here.
Yes.
So this level too is very important.
Hmm.
So this level is important. This level is important
Okay.
because
Buyers and sellers entry level.
sellers enter here and close and come out here. Buyers enter from here and came out from here. So these 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4 levels are very important. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Very important. So that when market is coming like this, and this candle gets to this level, you have to watch this level.
Hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
When markets come like this and get to this level, it's very important.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay. Because this is the level where buyers are
Buyers
supposed
enter.
to be there.
This is where the level where buyers enter. So when buyers come in here,
Hmm.
they come in like this, buyers can enter again.
Yes.
So, but
This
you
we
have to be,
can draw with left of the market also by seeing the previous market.
now buyers enter from here and close here.
Yes.
So from here,
Yes.
if buyers come in here, they might go like this small and go like this. Okay? Are you with
Okay.
me?
Means actually your video is stopping a little bit in between. So it can come from up to down and then go further down. That's what.
Do you see this level?
Yes.
Do you see this level?
Yes, yes, I can see this level.
You see candle? It's reversing.
Yes. Yes.
So it might reverse like this because this is a level.
Yes, yes. It can reverse. It has already touched that level to test it.
See that level? Okay?
Okay.
Good. So what we are doing basically is to be able to identify levels. You see, market is trying to reverse at that level. It touched it and came down. Then it came down again to touch. So market might go like this. Okay? So I'm going to teach you
Yes.
strategy to trade at this level.
Okay.
So let's go ahead. So now we see seller's level, seller's entry, seller's entry, not here.
It's 1 o'clock.
This is not correct. It's from here because from here, we see buyers in between here. You can see that? So what is we use?
Yes, one
level. This level is important, not this level. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Good.
Upper level is important where the candles came down. Momentum was starting.
Because you see green candle here, the momentum
Yes.
stopped. So momentum starts
But
from.
the green candle was not enough to stop the momentum. So there was very small buyer force.
You see, you cannot say that because it's only one candle.
Yes.
It's only one candle. So this is just the beginning of the trend. It's not a momentum. This is a trend. The trend is just starting.
Yes.
So buyers enter. Okay. So
Hmm.
sellers enter from here. No buyer, no buyer, no buyer, no buyer. So this is where you are interested in.
Yes.
This one is SNR area. This one is seller's entry.
Yes.
Okay. These are two important
Yes.
places. This is important, is SNR. This is also important, seller's entry. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
Good. So to this point.
Yes.
Do you understand?
To this point, all the bearish momentum was there. All the bearish trend was there. And from next of this, then there was a green candle. So we can say that by that point, buyers are starting to active.
Don't worry. We thought just follow me and understand what I'm doing. Let's do it small, okay? Then the next thing we are
Okay.
going to talk about is the round numbers. Do you know what they call round numbers?
No, sir. I'm not clear about round numbers.
Round numbers. Did you see this number?
Sure.
1.102000. Did you see it?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
You see it?
Yes, yes. I can see that.
What did you see?
One price number 1.10200 where market was there at starting of momentum. Bearish
Now
momentum was starting.
you see that 1.102000 because of the 00 at the back. That 00 at the back is what they call round numbers.
Okay.
Round numbers. When you get to this point, it's called round numbers. So markets can react in that place. Okay? This place
Market can.
sometimes it works like SNR area because of the price 00. Okay? 00.
So if there is a round number, the 00, that
Yes.
we can consider.
You can do what?
That we can consider that area important. There can be
Very
a SNR
important. Yes.
level.
Very important. Any round number, any 00 is very, very important. Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's also an important level in the market. Okay.
Okay.
Now this also, sometimes this can be used. This level 1.10150 is also a round number.
Okay.
Any number that ends with 10, 2 zeros, or 3 zeros, these are round numbers.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
So when the market gets to those areas, you have to watch the market at that area. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So do you understand that now?
Yes. Yes.
Now, so the reason is because, in a binary option, those levels are
Mhm.
very, very important. Binary is different from Forex.
Yes.
Okay. In Forex, these small levels might not mean anything. But in binary, they are very, very important.
Yes. Okay.
You have to pay attention to them very, very well. Pay very close attention to them.
Okay. Since we are using 1 minute candle, so we need to pay attention to every small movement also.
You have to pay attention to every level in the market. It is very, very important.
Okay.
Every level is very important because you are trading 1 minute. So you need to understand. Then one of the things you need to do in levels, when you draw your levels, okay, and you have too many levels in the market, maybe you have like this, one level here, another level here, then another level here, then another level here.
Yes.
Okay. Now, the moment you have a chart like this, with too many levels like this, don't trade.
Okay.
It's not a good
When there
market.
is so many levels nearby.
There are too many levels, so it's not good. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
When you have too many levels in the market, don't trade that market. Go to another chart.
Okay. Got it.
This one doesn't have too many levels. Okay. You can see a level here.
Okay.
You can see a level here.
Yes. Not having too much.
It doesn't have too much. You can see another level here, here, here. And you remember when I was saying how to select the market?
Yes, sir.
Very important
Paying
because
attention towards the wicks. No long wicks to
no
consider.
long wicks,
No
no
small
small
candles.
candles. Okay. And at the same time, try to watch the left side. Look at the left side. When you see good candles at the left side, you see good candles at the right side. Good candle at the left side,
Yes.
good candle at the right side. Okay. So this market is good.
Yes.
And when you see it like that, you will not see many levels. They only see few levels here. You see another level here. You see another level here. But when you have too many levels, it's a wrong market. Okay?
Yes. Means I need to select a trending market where there is a trend following, and then suddenly when trend changes, it also follows for some time. It is not changing very quickly. Must not be ranging.
Don't trade ranging market. Must not be ranging market. It must not be market with too many levels. Sometimes you can have a trending market and too many levels. Sometimes you can have a market like this and you have a level like this.
Yes.
You have a
Yes.
level here,
Got it.
level here, level here, level here. It's not good.
Hmm. It's not predictable.
It's not good. So you have to avoid it. Avoid it.
Okay.
Okay? Avoid it.
Yes. Understood.
So because if you have too many levels, you'll be confused. And even the market will confuse you because you think the market will stop at this level, it might not stop and we go to this level. So which level are you going to trade? So avoid market with too many levels. Okay?
Okay.
Good. So, and I have shown you SNR area, SNR level, SNR, then buyers and sellers, Then round
zone
numbers.
area.
Okay, these are
Yes.
very important levels in the market. Okay, very
Yes.
important. And now, by the time, because one of the strategies I'm going to teach you, that's why you have to pay attention and listen to me carefully. One of the strategies I'm going to teach you is called level trading.
Okay.
So that is why you
Level
must
trading.
understand level trading. Okay.
Okay.
That's why you need to understand levels now. So let's move to something else. Okay.
Okay.
Let's talk about what I call important candlesticks. You know, there are
Important.
important candlesticks.
Okay.
Important candlesticks or important candles. You know, there are candles in the market because we are using candles. There are candles. This is candle. But there are some important candles that you need to pay attention to when you see them. Okay?
Okay.
That is why those who did course with Ebenezer, if you don't listen to him very well, you want to trade every candle. You cannot trade every candle. You have to pay attention to some candles. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
You have to pay attention to some candles. So I will mention those important candlesticks. We will study them. Number one important candlestick is called hammer. Do you know
Yes,
hammer?
sir. Yes, sir.
You know hammer?
Yes, sir.
Can you describe hammer for me?
Sir, hammer is a candle where the candle is having a long tail, but a very small body on the top of the candle.
Okay. So let me ask you a question. Is this hammer?
Can't consider it as a hammer because it is having a head also, upper head also.
What about this one?
This is inverted hammers.
Is this hammer?
Yeah, this is a hammer, but it is having a big body. We can consider a small body a good hammer.
Is this hammer?
This is an inverted hammer, shooting star.
Okay. Now, I don't want to mention the name, whether shooting star or inverted. I just want to let us look at hammer. Now, hammer is like this. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Now, why is it like this? Hammer, the wick of the hammer, this wick must be 2 to 3 times the body.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
The wick of this hammer must be 2 times or 3 times the body of the hammer. Okay?
Yes. It
Now,
was having a opening price in the and then market went down. And then suddenly when the market rised up, it crossed the opening point and it closed above the opening point. So the body is formed as little small and wick is big.
this is a good hammer. This is a good hammer. But sometimes
Yes.
hammer can have a small rejection at the top like this.
Yes.
It's also very
Just
good.
what we see in beginning, in here, center of the screen.
Okay, this is very good. But if the rejection is like this, it's not hammer.
Yes.
Because if the rejection is up to the body, this body and this rejection, then that means it's not hammer.
Yes.
So that is
A
why
hammer must not have a top wick. We can't consider a big top wick on the body to
yes,
hammer.
this one is hammer.
Yes.
It has a small one. Okay?
Yes.
If it is bigger than this, it's not hammer.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Good. So you can have inverted hammer and you can also have shooting star. Okay?
Okay.
Like this one. Okay?
Okay.
Now, when you see
This is a shooting star. This is a shooting star.
I know, but yes. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Because when you see hammer at support, is shooting star. No, at you know what I'm talking about, right? Just forget about the name.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, just forget about the name. Let's not waste our time talking about the name. Now, when you see hammer, when you see hammer at SNR level, it means reversal.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
When you see hammer in the middle of the trend, it means trend continuation.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
If the trend is going and the hammer and you see hammer, the trend will continue. If you get a level, let's say SNR area, and you see hammer, it's supposed to reverse.
Yes.
Okay? But that is a
Yes.
general knowledge. We are going to use what we call advanced knowledge.
Yes.
Because sometimes we see hammer at SNR level and it will not reverse.
Yes.
Like here, market continue up. Market supposed to reverse, but it went up.
But it reversed after one candle.
Yes, but if you have entered this market after this one to sell, you will have lost this market.
Yes.
So we are going to talk about the advanced level of hammer, but not now. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So hammer at SNR level, basic is reversal. Okay? Hammer in the middle of the trend is trend continuation. Like here, this one. This is a trend. This is a trend. Hammer, continue, hammer, continue. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
But when I saw this continuation, I thought it might be stopping because see the body of the candles, it is reducing, and there was a doji like candle after this hammer. So it might have reversed at that time, but buyers take the market up.
This one?
Yeah.
You think whether it will
Because
reverse?
I thought it might be reversing because
Yeah, that
earlier
is
candle
why
was
when
very
you are
high.
going to trade, don't use what you are thinking. Follow the market. It's not what you are thinking. Look at a very bullish, a very bullish momentum. So yes, the candle is getting small, but you cannot sell until you have seen a signal. Okay? You have to wait for a selling signal before you sell because the candle can be small and still continue. And look at it, a small candle and the next candle continue. So if you are going to sell, wait.
Even if it is an engulfing pattern also, but it continued upwards.
Don't worry, let me just take you step by step, okay?
Okay.
Now, I've told you hammer. Hammer at SNR area is reversal. Hammer in the middle of the trend is trend continuation. Okay?
Yes. Yes.
This is not a good hammer. This is not a good hammer. But they continue the market. Okay?
Yes.
Now, another candlestick we are going to look at this morning is Doji.
Okay. Doji.
Do you know Doji?
Yes.
Okay, describe Doji for me.
Doji is a candle where starting point means opening of the candle and closing of the candle is at the same price, even if there is a upward and downward movements of buyer and seller. But the opening and closing is at same price. So we can't judge which force is big. Doji can also be used as reversal because there is strong force of buyer and seller, both.
Okay. So when you see Doji, let me give you an example of Doji. This is Doji.
Yes.
This is Doji. This is Doji. Okay. Doji,
Okay.
Doji doesn't have color. If
Yeah,
it
it
has
is
color,
gray.
if it is red or green, it's not Doji.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
If it is red or green, it's not Doji.
Yes, it will be then different. If it is red, then it is a bearish candle. It will have a body. So
Yes,
it is not a doji.
correct. Because Doji, there is no body, it doesn't have body. It means where the market opens is where the market closes. Okay?
Yes.
Nobody is in the market. The buyer and the seller, nobody in the market. But if it has
Nobody dominating the market.
if it has color, if it is red, then it is sellers. If it is green, then it is buyers.
Even if it is having a long wick up and down, it doesn't mean anything because it is opening and closing at same time. So it is a doji.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
It doesn't matter whether it is a long week or short-lived week. No. As long as it doesn't have a body, it's a doji.
Okay.
As long as it doesn't have body, it's doji. Okay?
Hmm.
So now, doji, how does doji behave and why is doji very important? Doji is important because it's an indecision candle. Okay? It's an indecision candle.
Okay.
Indecision means what? No buyer, no seller. Buyer want to enter, seller want to enter. So two of them want to enter. So who will enter? So when you see doji at SNR area, what does it mean? Reversal.
Yes.
Okay? Because buyer want to enter, seller want to enter. And if you see doji at SNR area, that means it will reverse. So if you see doji at support area, if you see doji here, it will reverse. If you see doji here, it will reverse. So candlestick, this very important candle is a reversal candlestick. Hammer is a reversal candlestick. At SNR level.
Is reversal.
Doji 2 is a reversal candlestick at SNR level. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Now, doji also in the middle of the trend is not a reversal, it's a trend continuation.
Okay. Just like hammer.
Just like hammer. Correct. Just like hammer.
Okay.
So when you see it at SNR area, you know what it means. When you see
it will reverse
in the middle of the trend, you know what it means.
Trend continuation. Yes.
Trend continuation. Okay?
Okay.
Good.
Here we are seeing so many of the dojis,
Now,
and this level is different.
when you see so many dojis in the market, it is a sign that that market is not good.
Yes. We
It is a
cannot
sign that
decide where market will go.
eh?
We cannot decide where market will go. It can go up or it can go down.
Just get out of the market.
Mm-hmm.
The moment you see too many dojis in the market, get out of the market. Okay?
Yes. Okay.
Good. Let me send a message. Just give me a moment. A student is trying to log in, and it is not the time of that student. So it's distracting.
Okay.
I want to tell him to wait.
Here in this bullish trend also there is a hammer, so it reversed.
You know that this is not a good market.
Yes.
So I'm not going to teach you how to trade bad market.
Mm-hmm.
Because bad market, when we say bad market, the reason why we say it's bad market, do you know why we call it bad market?
Yes, it is having too much movement, too much volatile.
No, that is not the reason. The reason why we call it bad market is that in a bad market, your strategy will not work.
Oh, okay.
So if you trade a good strategy in a bad market, you will lose. Because your strategy will not work. That is why it is called bad market.
Mm-hmm.
So there are signs of bad market. Long wicks are signs of bad market. Too many dojis in the market are signs of bad market. If the candles are too small, it is a sign of a bad market. If you see a consolidation area, it's also a bad market. So if you have a good strategy and you are trading a good strategies in a bad market, the candle will not work.
Okay. Now you said that if there is a consolidation area, then it is a bad market.
Yeah, there is a strategy for consolidation.
What do you mean exactly by consolidation market?
What I mean by consolidation is ranging market. Ranging market is consolidation. Okay?
Okay.
Ranging market is consolidation. There's another name for ranging market.
Consolidation. Okay.
Consolidation. This type of market is consolidation.
This right top inverted hammer was very good.
This one?
Too much of, yes.
But you will not, don't worry. It's not, if you are trading and you see this candle, this is a very strong candle. I know that this candle will reverse because a very strong candle. But leave that. When we come to strategies, we will talk about it. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So doji is an indecision candle. And when you see doji at SNR level, it's a reversal.
Yes.
Okay?
Doji just like at SNR is a reversal.
Yes. But that is a basic class. In a basic class. In advanced class, I will tell you what to do.
Okay.
Doji at SNR area is a reversal.
Yes.
Doji in the middle of the trend is a trend continuation.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay. Got it. If there are many dojis in the market which we see, then we should leave that market. We should avoid that market.
Many dojis is a bad market.
Or even if it is not a doji, it is green or red, very small body candles, then also
small body
leave
candles
the market.
is a bad market. long weeks is a bad market. So when you see all those things, don't even apply your strategy. If you apply strategy, it will not work. So some people have a very good strategy, but they don't know how to look for a good market. That is why I was teaching people on Saturday. Okay?
Yes.
How to get a good market, because some people have a good strategy, but they choose a bad market, and their strategy will not work in a bad market. And if the strategy does not work in a bad market, they'll be looking for another strategy.
Yes.
So the problem is not the strategy. The problem is that you don't know a good market.
We need to actually check where we can apply our strategy correctly.
If you check for a good market and you have a good market, then your strategy will work. Okay?
Yes.
So
yes.
let's move to the next candle. The next candle is spinning top.
Yes, spinning top.
Okay, do you know spinning top?
Yes.
Describe it.
Spin top candle is like inverted candle which is having a body in the bottom.
Okay.
This is quite like inverted hammer.
Let me describe spinning top for you.
This one.
Is spinning top.
Yeah, this one. Having a body in the end and having wick on both sides, but top wick is big.
Means a candle with a small body. Small body. Listen carefully. Small body. Then the wick at the top and the wick under, they are almost like equal.
Okay.
That is a spinning top.
Whether it is green or red, it doesn't matter.
Now, in a spinning top, when you are going to treat spinning top, I will tell you what to do. Okay? Whether it is green or red. But first and foremost, spinning top is a candle that has a small body and has small wicks. And the size of the wick at the top and down, they are almost equal. This is a spinning top.
Okay.
Whether green or red, if it is like this, it's a spinning top.
Sure.
Okay. Now, spinning top behaves like doji.
Yes, indecision candle.
Indecision candle. So if you see spinning top in the middle of the trend, it's a trend continuation. If you see spinning top at SNR level, it's a reversal. Whether it's red or green, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
It doesn't matter at all. Whether it is red or green, it doesn't matter.
But body should be small. It should not have big body.
It's small body.
Like the candle on the left side, fourth candle on the left side, it has a huge body, but tail and head both are having wicks. So it is not a indecision candle because it is strong bearish candle. Fourth candle on the left.
Which candle?
This one. Oh, wait. Where? This one.
I can't see it.
This one. Yeah. This one in the center of screen. Wait. Yeah, left side. Yeah, this one. Left candle.
This one?
Not this one. Left side. Most left candle, which you see, is having a strong, big body, but having a wick on both sides, top and bottom. So it is not spin top.
Is it a green candle or red candle?
No, red candle. On the screen, the most left candle.
This one.
Two candles on left of it. Most left candle. This one. This one. This is also a candle which is having big body, but wicks on upside and downside are also same. So it is not a spin top, right?
This one.
No, left of this and another left of this.
This one.
No, another left.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
This red one.
Yes, this one. Because this is having big body and small wicks up and down.
Okay, it's not a spinning top. I told you that the spinning top has small body.
Okay, small body.
Spinning top, the body has to be small. It's not a big body. This is a bearish strong candle.
Yes.
This is
strong
not a
bearish
spinning top at
candle.
all.
Strong bearish body.
Yes. And also this other one. These are not spinning tops. These ones.
Yes.
This one. They are not spinning top at all. Spinning top must
Yes.
have small body. You can't call this one indecision now. Can you call this one indecision candle?
No. It is a strong body of
It's a strong body
bearish candle.
This is a strong body. You can't call it indecision. So because of the body, that's
Yeah.
why I call it indecision. It has to be a small body. Okay.
And
Then
small
wick
wicks up and down.
and wick down. And the size of the wick at the top and down should be almost equal and equal to the size of the body. That's when you call it a
Yes,
spinning top.
Yes.
And when you see a spinning top at SNR level, is reversal. It behaves exactly the way doji will behave.
Yes.
So
Okay.
hammer, doji, spinning tops, they are reversal candlesticks at SNR level.
Yes.
Okay? They are reversal
Okay.
at SNR or at important levels. When you see this hammer, doji, spinning top, they are reversal at important levels. And I've told you important levels are levels like number 1, SNR level, number 2, seller entry area, number 3, buyer's entry area, then number 4, round number. Okay? So when you see these candles at those levels, they are reversals.
Yes.
But when you see them in the middle of the trend, it is a trend continuation.
Yes.
Okay. You understand that?
Okay. Yes. Perfectly.
Now, let me also add another candle to it that is also very important because I'm talking about important candlesticks. Another important candle is Marubozu. Do you know Marubozu candle?
No.
Well, have you heard Marubozu candle before?
No.
You have not heard the name Marubozu candle before?
No.
Okay, this is Marubozu candle. It's a candle that doesn't have a rejection at the top and it doesn't have under.
Oh. Okay. I actually called it a perfect candle with no wicks. Strong candle.
So it's a Marubozu candle. If it doesn't have wick at the top and doesn't have wick down, it is a perfect Marubozu candle. Okay?
No wicks.
No wicks. And Marubozu candle is very dangerous candle. It's one of the dangerous candles. Because if you see Marubozu candle at SNR area, the market will reverse. But if you see Marubozu candle in the middle of the trend, it might continue and at the same time it might reverse. So it's dangerous.
Okay.
Like this one, it continue. In another place, it can reverse.
Because it is not having any wicks, so it is a strong candle.
In fact, it's not because of the wicks. It is a very dangerous candle. Very dangerous.
Okay.
It can reverse the market. It can create continuation. Okay, but if you see it at SNR level, it will reverse. But if you see it in the middle of the trend, it will not reverse.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Yes.
So it's also an important candlestick. Now, let me
Okay.
add 2 more candlesticks in this class. Very important.
Okay.
They are not a candlestick, but it's a pattern. It's a candlestick
Okay.
pattern. Very important. I will show you, then I will ask you.
Mhm.
You know it. Because I'm showing you reversal candlesticks. Because there is a strategy I'm going to show you on how to trade at levels. And you need reversal candlesticks. This is not a perfect one, but what is this? What
These
is
two
that?
candles.
2 candles. What is the name?
This is quite like engulfing.
Correct. It's like engulfing candle. Okay?
But
But it's not perfect.
it
It's not
is
perfect.
yes, yes, yes.
Now, this is a perfect engulfing candle.
Yeah, this one. In bottom.
Okay?
Yeah.
When you see an engulfing candle like this, the next candle should go down. Am I correct?
This is an engulfing pattern, right?
This is an engulfing pattern. When you see engulfing
Okay.
candle like this, bearish engulfing candle, the next candle should go down. Am I correct?
Yes, yes.
But this candle went up. Now,
Yes, it
sometimes some
went up.
traders lose money because when they see an engulfing pattern, they want to follow immediately and go to the other direction. I will show you how to trade it. Okay?
Okay.
Now let's look at this. Is there engulfing?
Yes. In
But
the
the next
center of
candle didn't go
screen.
down.
Yeah, next candle is green.
It's
Going
green
up.
and it's supposed to be red. Good. I'm going to
Yes.
show you how to trade like that. But I'm showing you because when you see an engulfing candle at SNR area, it's supposed to be what? Reversal.
Yes.
Correct. Whether it's a bearish engulfing or a bullish engulfing, if you see it at SNR area, it's a reversal. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes.
Good. So that is what of the things you need to pay attention to. These are very, very important candlesticks. I need to tell you at the beginning because by the time I begin to teach you the strategies, you need to pay attention to levels and you also need to understand some candlesticks.
Yes.
So from the class of tomorrow, we are going to go into details. Okay? Details
Okay.
now that I've
Okay.
refreshed your mind with levels, I've refreshed your mind with important candlesticks, important levels. Then we can move on tomorrow.
Sure.
Okay? So because it is that's why I call them important. They are very, very important. They are
Okay.
very,
Yes. Yes.
very important.
Okay.
Any question?
These candles I understand.
Huh?
These candles and pattern of engulfing I understand today.
Yeah, this engulfing pattern. You said what? Hello?
Sir, I'm not hearing you.
What did you say? I said this is an engulfing.
Yeah. Now I can hear you.
This is an engulfing pattern. What did you say about the engulfing pattern? Are you asking a question?
Yes. I was just asking that in this engulfing pattern I can see, but the other candle was green. So
Yeah, I will
it
show you
was
by
not.
screen.
Okay. Okay.
And I will show you when I'm going to teach you how to trade. But it is a basic knowledge that when you see an engulfing pattern, it's supposed to be a reversal. That is basic. But I'm going to teach you advanced. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, a lot of traders are losing money on basic, but I will teach you advanced.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Good. So any question?
Sir, I have understand this candle pattern, and I will read also some more patterns. But any time I saw this pattern coming, then I must remember the names of different patterns, right?
No. You
I
don't need
must
to
remember.
remember them. You don't need to remember the name. You don't need the name. Okay? You don't need the name. Just
Okay.
recognize them. That is why I explained to you. If you forget now, this one is a doji. If you forget the name, but you know it, right?
Yes.
You know that this is doji,
Yes.
but you might forget the name. Don't worry about the name. Just know how it works. That's what is important.
Yes. Just now, like Marubuzu candle, I was not knowing the name, but I knew that okay, it is a
Good.
perfect candle which having no wick.
Yes, no weights. So you don't need name. You just need to understand. If you are a teacher, if you want to go and teach, that is when you will cram the names. But you want to make money, so you don't need name.
Yeah. Yes.
Good. So you
Okay.
don't
Got
bother
it.
yourself.
Got it.
It's not important. It's not important at all. Okay?
To understand the working of candles is important.
Just understand the workings of the candle. That's what is important. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it, sir.
So I'm going to send you a link. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You will download
Okay.
and install one application. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
When you install
Okay.
it, then I will send you a link to download this class
Okay.
because I've recorded the class for you.
Okay. Okay. I
Yeah.
have understood,
But
but I need to repeat also.
please remember, I am only helping you. My
Yes,
videos
sir.
are for you. They are not for another person.
Sure, sir. 100%.
I have said it in Ebenezer's page. Those who are selling Ebenezer's videos, they will not make money from it.
Yes, sir.
So you have paid for this. I am giving you because I want you to understand very well. That is why I'm giving you the video so that you can listen again. If not, people that are
Yes.
teaching online, they don't give videos. You know that.
Yes, sir.
The one I taught free on Saturday, I gave everybody the video
Yes, sir.
free of
Yes,
charge.
sir.
That is the way I do my things. I always want to help people. Okay?
Hmm.
But
Yes, sir.
you have to
Yes, sir.
follow my instruction.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you
I
very
will
much.
understand and follow it.
So
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I'm going to send you a link. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
I will send a link to you. You will download that link. Okay? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello?